Hi, everyone. Welcome to English with Friends. I am Jessica, your English teacher.
And I am Leo, your learning buddy. Hello, everyone.
Today, we will practice a very useful topic, meeting new people. We will learn how to say hello, how to introduce yourself, and how to make small talk in English.
Yes, this is something we all do every day. Meet new people, talk a little, and make friends.
Sit back, relax, and let's start our easy English conversation. If you enjoy learning with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our podcast. Let's start with greetings, saying hello. We use greetings when we meet someone or start talking.
The most common one is hello.
Yes, you can say hello, hi, or hey. All mean the same thing, but hey is more casual.
If I meet my friend, I can say, hey, how are you? If I meet my teacher, I say, hello, how are you today?
Exactly. Great example, Leo. Listeners, repeat after me. Hello, hi, hey.
Now let's add polite greetings. You can say, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening.
We use good morning before 12 p.m. We use good afternoon from 12 to 6 p.m. We use good evening after 6 p.m.
And good night is different, right?
Yes, good night is for leaving or going to sleep. Don't say good night when you arrive somewhere. Say good evening.
Got it. Good evening to say hello, good night to say goodbye.
Perfect. Listeners, repeat good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night.
Now we ask, how are you?
Yes, you can say, how are you? How are you doing? Or how's it going?
How can we answer?
You can say, I am fine, thank you. I am good. I am great. I am okay.
Or if we feel tired today, we say, I am tired today.
Exactly. Let's try a short conversation. Hi, Leo. How are you today?
I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am great. Thanks for asking.
That is easy.
Yes. Now we meet someone new. We say our name.
Like, I am Leo.
Or, my name is Jessica. Both are correct.
You can also ask, what's your name?
Hello. What's your name?
My name is Leo. What's your name?
I am Jessica. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Listeners, repeat, my name is. Nice to meet you.
If we didn't hear the name, we ask politely, sorry, can you say that again? Sorry, what's your name again?
Exactly. Always polite.
After names, we ask, where are you from?
That means, what country do you live in?
I can say, I am from Spain.
Or I am from Japan. Or I am from Brazil.
And we ask, where are you from?
Where are you from, Leo?
I am from Spain. Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Canada. Is it cold there?
Yes, it is cold in winter.
I like warm weather.
Me too. Listeners, say, I am from, and name your country. Good job. After that, we can talk about our city or town.
I can say, I live in Madrid.
Or I live in Tokyo. You can say, my city is big, or my town is small.
Where do you live?
I live in London. It is a big city.
London. Do you like it?
Yes, it is busy, but beautiful.
I live in a small town. It is quiet and clean.
That is great too. Listeners, say, I live in.
We can also talk about food or weather.
Yes, everyone likes food.
You can say, I like pizza. I love coffee. I don't like fish.
I love pizza too. I drink coffee every morning.
Same here. Now let's talk about weather.
You can say, it is sunny today. It is cold today. It is raining.
What is the weather like today?
It is warm and sunny. Perfect day for a walk.
In London, it is raining today again.
London and rain, best friends.
Let's practice. It is sunny. It is cold. It is raining. Great.
Sometimes people ask, what do you do? That means your job or studies.
I can say, I am a student, or I am a teacher.
You can say, I work in a shop. I work in an office. I am a driver.
What do you do?
I am an English teacher.
You are a great teacher.
Thank you. What about you?
I am a student. I study English and computer science.
Wow, that is cool.
Thanks. Listeners say, I am a.
When it is time to go, we say goodbye.
We can say, goodbye, see you later, see you soon, have a nice day.
It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too. See you later.
See you soon. Have a nice day.
You too.
Repeat after us. Goodbye. See you later. Have a nice day. Let's review. We practiced greetings like hello, good morning, and good evening.
We asked, how are you? And answered, I am fine. I am good. I am tired.
We practiced introductions like my name is and nice to meet you.
We said where we are from. I am from Japan. I live in London.
We talked about food and weather. I like pizza. It is sunny today.
We learned how to say goodbye. See you later. Have a nice day.
Listeners, repeat hello. How are you? My name is. I am from. I live in. I like pizza. It is sunny. Goodbye. See you soon. Great job. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep smiling while you learn English.
Every day you practice, your English gets better.
Exactly.
See you in the next episode of English with Friends.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.